What's going on, everyone? My name is JP. This is my wife Jordana and our kids Aurelia and Odin. Back on our 6th wedding anniversary, we decided we wanted to buy an RV and see the country. Fast forward to March of 2021, we sold our house, ditched all our stuff, and hit the road for what we hope will be a journey filled with a lifetime of memories. We hope you will join us on this journey as we wander to get lost. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I am back to keep working on the basement of our RV. In the last video, or no, 5 seconds ago, you were watching me cut everything out. So finally got a whole bunch of aluminum bar, and let me show you what I got going on right now and what my plan is. So you can see I've already started. I basically got this channel aluminum that I'm slipping over the end here, and the reason why is because this whole bottom is just 1-inch foam. The underneath, this isn't even metal, it's probably like a 64th inch skin of aluminum, so it doesn't even have any weight rating probably. So this is all foam, this is foam. It's basically the cheapest probably possible way you could build a box. So my plan right now is I'm getting this channel bar over here over the end. What that will allow me to do is I'm going to take this out, put an aluminum bar here, weld it to here, weld it onto the roof. That'll give me vertical support to hold the box up. In the Jeep, I went to the metal shop last night, so I have diamond plate 1/16 inch aluminum that I'm going to skin the bottom, I'm going to skin the front, and I'm just going to skin the back, so that way no rock chips or anything like that is going to damage anything. Then I will be adding aluminum supports going across underneath. So under here I'll be having bars going across. Once I do that, I'll reface this with aluminum, and then we'll build out the box shape. So I have the 1/16 inch smooth aluminum. This is a steel. I'm just doing aluminum because I want to weld it onto the face of this, and it'll also keep the weight down. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I'm just trying to get this aluminum channel over this foam. As you can see, the foam is falling apart. You can see I have these gaps, so I'm not too worried about the gap. I will be having a skin here. I just have to fill it in eventually once this is on, because I don't want anything to fall in here. So I'm trying to get the foam in there as I push this on. This is actually the really bad spot. So yeah, just gonna be some boring, tedious work right now. I'm gonna get this pressed on. I'll come back and show you once we start doing something exciting. All right. What's going on, everybody? It is still raining off and on, but I'm still trying to get work done. Let me show you what I got going on here. Look, I got the bar on the front. You can see here all the way down there. So this is a 1x2 bar that I'm replacing that steel support. Here it is. I cut it out. It's kind of welded in here. I haven't welded aluminum in probably 2 years, so it is what it is. Don't really care. And we're gonna weld it up to there. That's what we're doing. So I'm using this to wedge it up so that way it's nice and squared. This is a 20-inch height, so once I tack down on it, should be good. And then we're gonna do that side. All right. Need to move that. Another thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill a couple holes, pop a couple of rivets into this thing. Let me get that set up. Ah! Look at that. Did not. Alright. So we're just gonna repeat this over there. Alright, so this should hold. There we go. So basically by doing this, riveting here, tacking it into here, welding it here, now I have a vertical support column holding this box. Whereas before, this tubing that was in there was not connected to the bottom, it was not connected to the top, it was just on the back here to add some rigidity to this 16th inch steel. So now we actually have vertical support. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I got to tackle the front and the rear of the box. And I have diamond plate sheet metal 16th inch aluminum that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to also use that to skin the bottom. So yeah, and actually before I do that, I have to get my 1x2 bar that I'm actually going to put along the whole bottom, that's going to act as my rigid bar for rigid strength on this whole thing here, that I'm then going to tie in my I guess my horizontals to the back edge of this box, which is aluminum. So yeah, so I'm going to do that. Alright, we're getting there. It's starting to take shape, and I'm pretty happy now that this is way more solid. Not as solid yet, but we're getting there. Alright, so here's the 1x2 bar that's going to be underneath. And then basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to face tack this right here on the face. Just so there's some play in it. And then the skin, it's going to be hard to show this, but will actually slip in here, and then we'll go across and we'll tack the skin onto here, and then we're going to do our horizontal runs across. So yeah, so I just got to go through, squeeze these together, face tack it, I'll grind it down, And then yeah, just gotta do this whole run down here. I get that on, yeah, then I can put the skins on. I might be able to do that today. It's 4:20, so 4:23, running out of daylight, but the rain was killing me today, so sorry, didn't get to do a lot because I had to keep stopping because it was getting soaked. But tomorrow it's supposed to be sunny all day, so yeah, so I should be able to work all day, and I think I can bang out this whole thing because it's supposed to be sunny and warmer. If I can get it all done, I can prime it, and then as long as it's primed and it's all sealed, well, I'm gonna 5200 the heck out of this thing so there's no water leaks. And then it's definitely not going to be warm enough to Raptor line it, the bed liner stuff, so I'm probably gonna have to do that when we get further south. So yeah, all right, so let me go through and start tack welding this.